For more than 25 years. Whenever you wanted info, you opened a search engine, typed keywords, clicked links, compared answers, and found what you needed. But today, millions are doing something different. Instead of searching, they're asking AI. One personalized answer instead of 10 websites. Is AI replacing search engines, or will they coexist? Let's compare their strengths, weaknesses, and how you'll find info in the future. Ask, how do I start a YouTube channel? Search engines give you links to visit and compare. AI gives you a conversational, step-by-step guide with personalized tips. Search engines find relevant web pages by ranking billions based on quality, freshness, and popularity. AI uses learned patterns to explain and generate info tailored to you. Search excels at finding news, products, and official docs. AI shines at explaining concepts, brainstorming, and content creation. Together, they're a powerhouse for learning and creativity. Remember, AI can make mistakes and search engines are far from dead. The future? AI and search working side by side, helping you discover, understand, and decide smarter. The secret weapon? Knowing when to search and when to ask AI. Asking better questions leads to better answers. Your curiosity is the ultimate superpower in this digital age. Technology changes, but your goals stay clear. Find reliable info, keep learning, and make smarter choices. AI isn't replacing search, it's transforming how you interact with knowledge. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more AI tutorials, tech comparisons, productivity hacks, and future insights. Ready to master the best of both worlds?